Hey, what's up guys, welcome to FineGap YouTube channel. In this video we will implement Recyclerview in Android Studio. In this video we will create an app like this, and here you can see that this is our Recyclerview items. I have just displayed two items inside my Recyclerview, and each item have an icon and a string. First of all, we will create a new project in Android Studio. To create the new project, click on new project button, select empty activity and click on next button. The name of my application will be Recyclerview. Select Java language and minimum API level will be 21. Click on finish button. Our simple Android Studio project have been created. First of all, click on activity underscore main and remove this text view. Type here less than Recyclerview. Select this one, and its width would be match parent and height would be match parent, and I'm going to give an ID to this Recyclerview, which will be Recyclerview. Constrain this Recyclerview horizontally and vertically as well. You can constrain this using this option. Now we will create single item view. To create the single item view, click on resource folder and right click on this layout folder, new and layout resource file. Its root level element will be constraint layout, and I'm going to name this file single item underscore view. Press OK button, because we are going to use an image view and a text view inside our single list item. So first of all, I have to drag an image view here, constrain it to the top, constrain it to the left, and its width would be 80 dp and its height would be 80 dp. Constrain it to the top. Again, drag and drop a text view here and constrain it to the bottom of this image view and constrain it to the top of this image view. Also constrain it from this position. Click on this design button and its margin left would be 16 dp, and I am going to give ID to this text view, TV name, and you can also give a custom ID to your image view. Copy this and paste it at this position. That's it. We just have create a layout file, and I have defined an image view and a text view inside my this single item view. It means that each item view will be look like this. Next, just close these three files, and now we have to create a data class, because when you will create a Recyclerview, you will must have a data source. You may be receiving data from an API or from Firebase or from somewhere else, but in my case I will create a data class here, and from that data class we will receive our data and we will insert our data to our views inside Recyclerview. To create a data class, right click on your package name, new and Java class, and I'm going to name this my data class or my list data. Press enter button. Inside my this data class there will be two variables. The first variable will be of type string, and this variable name will be name semicolon, and the second variable would be of type int and img id. Now press alt insert button and enter on constructor option, and we have to create a constructor for our both variables. Press OK button and again press alt insert button and click on getter and setter and click on these two variables and press OK buttons. This will create getters and setter for our variable, and here you can see that our constructor is created. Next, we have to implement the adapter class, but before implementing this we have to understand that what is adapter in Android. In simple words, adapter is just a bridge between your data source and UI. To create the adapter class, right click on your package name, new, and click on Java class. I'm going to name this my adapter. Press enter, and this class will extend Recyclerview.adapter, and inside this we have to pass my adapter dot view holder. It is giving an error. Just click alt enter button and click on implement methods. In the adapter class we have to implement these three methods: on create view holder, on bind view holder, and get item count. So just select these three methods and press OK button. Again click on this view holder and click on this bulb icon and click create class view holder. So here you can see that our view holder class have been created. Again click on this view holder and click on this bulb icon and click make view holder extends, this one. Again click on this red line which is showing you the error. Click on this bulb icon and click on create constructor matching super. That's it. Next we have to type here view and create object of our view class. Type here layout inflator dot from, and inside this we have to pass the object. So first of all, we have to pass the context. So first of all, I will create the object of our context class outside to my this function, and now inside this from function we have to pass our context dot inflate r dot layout dot single item view parent comma paths. So I just have attached my this single item view with my adapter. Next you have to click here and press Alt Insert button and click on constructor. Select this context and press OK button. I just have create a constructor to pass the context to my this context object. Next, inside our view holder class, we have to declare a text view here, and I'm going to name this TV under TV name and an image view here, imgviw semicolon, and inside my this view holder function I will type here TV name is equal to item view dot find view by id r dot id dot TV name semicolon, and next I will type here image view is equal to item view dot find view by id r dot id dot img view. Press semicolon. Actually these are the IDs that we will give in our single item view to my image view and to the text view. Next I have just forget this one thing, because we have created this view object, so we have to return this view, and inside our adapter we have to pass a second thing which will be my list data, and here we have to create a private variable, not private, you can create public variable, my list data semicolon, and inside our constructor we have to type here list data, this dot list data is equal to list data semicolon. And here, because it is giving us an error, we don't have to return view, we have to return new view holder, and inside this we have to pass the view. That's it. Next, click on this get item count function, and here we have to return list data dot length. Next we have to work on our own bind view holder method, and inside this method I have to just type holder dot TV name dot set text, and inside this I have to type my object list data position dot get name, and next I have just to type here holder dot img view dot set text, not set text but set image resource list data position dot get image id. That's it. Our adapter code have been completed. Now open just your main activity. Next, inside my onCreate method I have to type here Recyclerview is equal to new Recyclerview semicolon, and inside this Recyclerview I have to just pass my context which is main activity dot this. Next I just have to create the object of my adapter class. My adapter is equal to new my adapter. At this position we have to pass the object of my data class. So first of all I will create the object of my list data class. So I will type here my list data is equal to new my list data mid brackets, press semicolon at the end of these mid brackets, and here I have to type new my list data, and inside this we have to pass our data. So I will insert my data here. First of all let me open the my list data class. Inside this class we have to pass two parameters. The first one will be name, which will be a string, and the second one will be your resource id. So at first position I will pass my name Fahim comma, and next we have to pass r dot drawable dot ic underscore launcher background comma. Just copy this and paste this again, and here I'm going to type the second name which is FineGap. At this position you can download and paste your any icon or any image here, and you can right click on this drawable folder and you can click on paste button, and you can give your that icon or image id at this position, then your that icon will be appear to your Recyclerview. I'm going to just using the default icon which is which resource id is ic underscore launcher underscore background, and inside this my adapter we have to pass our list data semicolon. Here you can see that it is giving me a little bit error, because inside my adapter class I have defined a constructor which is getting two parameters. The first parameter will be context and the second parameter will be my list data. So I just have to pass my this context here, and your error will be removed. You can pass your context by typing here your activity name main activity dot this, or you can directly type this keyword, or you can use get application context function here to pass the context. Next I will type here Recyclerview dot set has fixed size is equal true, Recyclerview dot set layout manager new linear layout manager, and here we have to pass the context, and finally I will just type here Recyclerview.set adapter. My code is completed. Now let me run the app so I can show you the output. So guys, here you can see that my app have been run successfully, but it is giving me an error, no adapter attached, keeping layout. We have did a small mistake here. We don't have to type here new recycler view and main activity dot this. We just have to typecast this recycler view, and we have to type here find view by id r dot id dot recycler view. That's it. Again run your app. So this time here you can see that our two items have been inserted to our recycler view, and our code is working fine. So if you have any question related to this tutorial, you can ask us in the comment section, and please share this video with your those friends who want to learn Android apps development. And finally, thanks for watching.